we are going to work in the rhythm of tangos. So in flamenco, there are many different rhythms, which are called palos. Soleá, soleá por bulería, alegrías, bulerías, tangos. Today we're going to work in the rhythm of tangos. Now each one is different because they have a different time structure and they have different feeling, and they're recognizable with the chords or the melodies. And so you want to think about like your favorite song, whatever your favorite song is. If you heard a different version of that song, whether it's kind of jazzy, slow, rock and roll, whichever version of that one song, you would hear like maybe 2 or 3 notes and you go, oh yeah, that's my favorite song. The same thing in flamenco. You would hear the melody, the chords, and you would recognize it as tangos, alegrías, soleá. So what we're going to work on is tangos, and it's a 4-count rhythm. We're going to practice our palmas, our hand clapping first, to get acquainted with it. So it's a 4-count, and each measure is called a compás. So compás has 2 meanings. One, it's like a measure, a count, or to stay in compás means to stay in rhythm, to stay in the beat. And not, out of rhythm, out of the beat, right? So the compás for tangos is a 4-count. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so our palmas. So we are cupping our hands, and the thumbs are on either side, and you're cupping your hands. So we're going to have, and we're going to do a little syncopated. So we have 1, da ka dan, da, 2, da ka dan, da, 3, da ka dan, da, 4, da ka dan, da. All right. So we have 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, and let's end da kan da. Okay, again, and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, da kan da. So let's practice that with a little bit of music. So we're going to play a little bit of solo compás, which just basically means practice music, and we'll just play along with the guitar, some palmas for a little bit. Here we go. Get ready. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Now syncopated. Da ka da da. 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 We're gonna close it. Here we go. Ba ba ba. Yeah. Da ka da da. 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 2, 3, 4. We close. One more time. Ba 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 ba. Da ka da da. 3,